I'm so excited to share with you some must-stop destinations in Soho. Now it does spill over a little bit into Nolita and Little Italy, but you're already in that area, so might as well check it out. I spent an entire day going from place to place. I've already had some things in mind I wanted to check out, but the great thing about getting lost in the streets is you find more places. So I just took an entire day of footage and combined it into one. You can also use this as a walking tour. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the end. You guys gotta visit Vesuvio Bakery. Now I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right or wrong, but these cookies they have are they're ginormous and they're delicious. They're thin, they're crispy, but they're, soft and moist on the inside. And it's actually just a really good, healthy looking lunch spot. I didn't try any of the salads or paninis, but boy, they looked delicious. Look for the store in pink and you will see a second chance. Now, if you want designer goods but you don't want to pay full price, then this is your spot. I love the name A Second Chance because you're basically giving these designer items a second chance to a wonderful, loving home to a new owner for less than full price. And if you really dig, you never know what you may find. They have everything from shoes, accessories, scarves, bags, wallets, you name it, they have it if it's designer. They have everything from Alexander McQueen, Chanel, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Gucci, Louboutin shoes, and the list goes on. As you're walking around in Soho and you stumble upon a street vendor, check them out because you never know what you can find, and I'm such a sucker for jewelry and dainty rings and bracelets, so you never know. And I'm sure the street vendors would love a chat and support for their business. If you're an iPhone user, this might be a perfect time to pick up some items you might need or drop in for some lessons or tutorials on the second floor. I came in to check out the store layout as it is a massive space with lots of natural lighting, which calls for a cool Instagram photo. Now this bright yellow storefront is for mac and cheese lovers only. I've never been to a only mac and cheese takeout, but boy, it was so good. They got Mayan Chipotle, 4 cheese, mac stroganoff, mac shroom, margarita mac, and what I had was a mac lobster, and it was just so good, and they give you a lot of lobster in there. So I discovered a milk bar from a Netflix show called Chef's Table. It's a pastry and dessert bakery owned by Chef Christina Tosi, who won multiple awards such as Rising Star Chef of the Year in 2012, and this place is known for their cereal soft serve ice cream topped with cornflakes, crack pie, and their famous birthday cake. Definitely try the birthday cake, it's delicious. This place I found on a fluke. I was just walking by and I'm not going to say no to some cupcakes. This place is super cute. The interior decor screams dessert heaven and their cupcakes are to die for. Okay, not actually, but they're really, really good. They have some amazing flavors like golden vanilla, golden chocolate, southern red velvet, coconut cloud, blue velvet, Brooklyn blackout, pistachio grape jam, cookies and cream, strawberry shortcake, and of course some vegan, gluten-free options here. Banana with peanut butter. I had that one, it was delicious. Vegan strawberry, and many more. Here we have Prince Street Pizza. I did not try a slice here, but I'm pretty sure the lineup out the door is self-explanatory that this place has some awesome worth the wait pizza. Their slices are thin and large like typical New York City pizza. However, something about this place must be worth the wait. I didn't try a slice, so I'll never know. Another designer consignment store. Okay, so I have never heard about this place and I just found it by walking by. So glad I did. It is almost better than A Second Chance. There was nobody in there, probably because, Second Chance is way more popular, but this place deserves to be in the spotlight. I found the prices to be much cheaper, getting more bang for your buck and a better selection of clothing. I honestly wanted to go crazy here, but it would just break the bank. If you love Gucci, then you need to check this place out. They have tons of it. Ladies, it's not all about you. If you've brought your man and he doesn't want to wait around for you, he can go right next door to the men's section, an entire store filled with designer men items. Now if you're hungry, love pasta, and you love pink, then this is a place for you. Not only an Instagrammable location, but a very, very yummy, healthy Italian restaurant with everything pink, including the bathroom, and fine details like the napkins. They serve brunch, lunch, and dinner with some fabulous looking cocktails. Grab some food, some photos, and it will be worth the stop. Oh look, a street artist. Soho is filled with street art, so you'll never know when you'll see a street artist in action, so keep your eyes out. I'm such a sucker for Australian coffee and their food. This joint is called Two Hands, and they have taken inspiration from Australia's forward-thinking culinary scene and relaxed beachside lifestyle. Their dishes are so pretty and look delicious, while their coffee was very smooth and tasty. I actually had a great chat with the two baristas who work there, and they are awesome, so make sure you leave a tip. Oh look who I bumped into, some strangers on the street. You never know who you're gonna meet and make friends with. Soho is full of surprises. Alright matcha lovers, this is for you. Now during my visit, I've tried a few of their drinks and you have no idea. Cha-Cha Matcha is such a great place. My favorite is the warm matcha turmeric latte, just made with absolute perfection. It wasn't too sweet nor too spicy, but it had a kick to it, and it was just so pleasant to drink. I could honestly use another one. Not only is this place Instagram worthy and super cute, you need to try anything from their menu. They also play bomb music, so bust a move while you wait. On the border of Soho and Little Italy is the eye-catching, bright, beautiful mural of Audrey Hepburn by Tristan Eaton, a graffiti artist, illustrator, and toy designer. New York City is known for its fashion industry, and what better way to capture that than in a magazine? At Mulberry's Iconic Magazines. When I visited in 2010, I definitely got a magazine from here, and you betcha I got another one when I visited this time as well. They have thousands of books and hundreds of different genres, and it's a perfect New York City memory or even just a great idea for a gift. Alright, here we go, Elaine's Special Cheesecake. And this place is special indeed because it is so good. Selling cheesecake since 1976. When they say best cheesecake in New York, having over 4 decades of experience means best cheesecake in New York. Now, after trying the classic strawberry cheesecake, later that same week, I actually came in again to get the same flavor. They have some crazy flavors as well, like salted caramel, s'mores, chocolate caramel pretzels, and mandarin orange. Lombardi's on Spring Street is the first pizza place that opened in the United States, and it opened its doors in 1905. This place is a dine-in restaurant, so after a long day of walking around, it would just feel amazing to sit, relax, and chow down on some pizza. Here I found a hidden cute boutique called Bag All, the first brick-and-mortar location owned by Swedish stylist and entrepreneur Jennifer. They sell vintage chic bags and cases for organizing, traveling, and gifting that can all be customized while looking super cute. I love the philosophy of this brand to replace plastic bags with fabric bags to implement more of an environmentally friendly lifestyle. Oh, sweet Gloria, why were you closed when I wanted to visit? I found this place on Instagram that serves beautiful soft serve ice cream and frozen yogurt, coffee, and bubble tea. Just look at the presentation, so pretty, and I don't doubt it must taste amazing as well. Rice pudding, anyone? Of course, New York City has a place only selling rice pudding, and that's all that they sell. With over 20 different flavors, it would be hard to choose just one. Good thing they offer samples, so you can try some of the buttered pecan, banana coconut, honey graham, French toast, and sex, drugs, and rocky road, whatever that means. They also don't use artificial flavors or preservatives, with building blocks using milk, rice, sugar, eggs, cream, and a rousing selection of seasonal flavors, fruits, and other ingredients. Oh, look who's moving in! Ice cream, dairy and vegan, both made from scratch. I tried this at a different location and it was so good. So when this guy opens up, make sure to stop by. If you have not heard of Brandy Melville, it was super popular in 2009, founded in Italy, making one-size clothing inspired by beachy, vintage, European style. Now I know they used to market towards petite females, which had a little bit of a backlash. However, small teenagers loved the stores because the items actually fit them. The creation of the name is also super cute because apparently Brandy was this American girl and Melville was this English guy, and they fell in love in Rome. If you have never had bite-sized cupcakes and macaroons, then you need to try Baked by Melissa, selling possibly the world's tiniest cupcakes. I have to admit, they were pretty good, moist and melted in your mouth, but because they were so small, I wish they were bigger, so I had more to enjoy. I had no idea Amazon had a store called Amazon 4-Star Store, finding products that are only 4 stars and above, including devices, consumer electronics, kitchen, home, toys, books and games, anything that is top selling, new, and trending. If you've visited the Museum of Modern Art in New York City, then you need to visit the MoMA design store as well. The process to get products even on the shelf is like no other. It's evaluated by MoMA's curatorial department and is critiqued by professionals to ensure every item is a good fit with their vision of good design. Now they sell things for your home, kitchen, dining, office, tech, jewelry, prints, books, and stuff for kids. Things you could not find anywhere else. Also, when you shop from here, you're also supporting MoMA's educational programs in New York City. I love that I guarantee if you visit the stores a couple times a year, every single time there's going to be completely different items and really unique items as well. Toothbrush, anyone? Whoa, don't forget, we are in Soho and there are fashion photographers everywhere. So look your best and wear your favorite clothes because you never know who's gonna capture your style. Alright Canadians, I know this looks familiar, but hold your horses. This is one of the coolest stores I've ever been to, given the fact that Aritzia stores always have beautiful retail layouts and designs. But with their recent renovation at this location, they have stunning new fitting rooms and a cafe. You can get coffee here while you shop. It's found at the back of the store on the 2nd level. Now we all know Aritzia is not cheap, so be prepared to want to buy everything because the store is massive and filled with beautiful clothing. There is lots of high-end shopping in Soho, but that doesn't mean you have to shop there. Lots of these stores have really cool, unique experiences, and why not have a browse and froth over some stunning designer goods? Make sure to visit Green and Wooster Street. Now, this is another place I had no idea about, and boy, am I so happy I stumbled upon it because I did find some really amazing things there. Artisan Fleas is a marketplace of makers, so tastemakers, experience creators, designers, collectors, and curators. And today, or when I visited, at the very end of the place, there was a tattoo pop-up. So gathered together as a creative community of shoppers and sellers, you never know what you're going to find. And every other week, there's brand new merchants. So support New York City local makers and find some unique goods. Along East Houston Street, there are so many beautiful murals, but the main one being on the corner of Houston and Bowery, which got its first brushstroke back in 1982. Now, every once in a while, there will be a brand new piece on New York City's historic Houston Bowery wall. Alright, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found some neat spots that you guys want to visit to your trip in New York. I hope I didn't miss anything. If I did, just comment below and I'll gladly add that to the description box. And if you guys are visiting New York, what are you most excited for? Comment below and tell me because I would love to respond to you guys' comments. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.